Hello, lovely. So we're gonna start off with doing our eyebrows. First, you need a soap and nano mister containing water. Mix the water onto the soap, and you definitely need a spoolie. Rub it against the wet soap, and you want to use this to stick the hair of your eyebrows stuck onto your skin. Always push your eyebrows upwards to give them this lifted look, lifted effect. Okay, doing the same thing on the other eyebrows. Lift those eyebrows up, and after you doing all that, baby, yeah, this is given gorgeous. Next, we're going to go to a lipstick palette and select a black shade and a brown shade. Pick each of the shades and put them on the back of your hand. Mix them together to get this deep dark brown shade. This one right here. Next, you need a flat brush. This is what you're going to use to outline your eyebrows, and always outline your eyebrows in a lifted way, like in an upward way, because if you want your makeup to be lifted, it always has to start with the eyebrows. So lift them eyebrows up. Okay, doing the same thing on the other eyebrow. Lift it up, guys, just lift it. Next, we're going to need a sharp pencil. This is a Davis pencil, and fill in all those empty spaces that do not have any hair to them. Be lightheaded with this because you do not want to make your eyebrows super black. That is old fashioned, and you do not want to do that, so that is a no-go. Okay, next you want to get a concealer that is 2 shades lighter than you or 1 shade lighter than you, and conceal your eyebrow. Always take your time while doing this, and always conceal in a lifted way. Do you see what I'm doing? I'm taking my time, but at the same time I'm making sure that I lift my eyebrow. Look at this, being gentle, careful, and making sure that I get what I want. Take your time, and afterwards blending out the concealer using this fluffy brush. Always blend. Blending is the key to every perfect makeup look. Okay, doing the same thing on the other eyebrow, lifting my eyebrow, taking my time, no pressure, no pushing that concealer downwards. Then afterwards blending it out using the same brush we have used earlier on. Take your time, don't rush. Next, we're going to go into our foundation. This is what we use to conceal the upper side of our eyebrows. And make sure that you take your time, guys. Don't rush, because you can make or break your eyebrows on this step right here. So take your time and make sure that you always blend out everything. After you're doing something, blend it out. Blend out, guys. Doing the same thing on the other eyebrow. Taking my time and making sure that I do it perfectly. Then afterwards, spread out the concealer. The foundation, then blend out everything to make it seamless. And baby, after you doing all that, look at that eyebrow. It's given, I'm drawn to the heaven. Gorgeous. Next, you're going to go into this powder palette, and you want to select your foundation powder. That is what you want to use to highlight your eyebrow, because since this is a natural look, you want to keep everything natural. Okay, next you're going to go into this bronze shade, and this is what we're going to use as our eyeshadow, and you want to put this over on your eyelid because you want to give it an illusion of it has something. It's natural, but it has something, some dimension to it. So keep it natural but still cute. Okay, next we're going to go into this waterproof pen. Is it? Yes, eyeliner pen. This is what we're going to use, and always take your time while drawing the eyeliner, guys. Do not stress, and make sure that you lift your eyeliner slightly, even if it's natural, but make sure that you lift it slightly and take your time. Don't rush. If you want a pro, if you're a beginner, take your time. Do simple line step by step, and you get this. Doing the same thing. You see how I'm lifting that right there? This is what you want to do. Make sure you lift it, but keep it natural, because this is a natural look. This is a simple look, everyday look, Easter look, baby. Next, we're going to eye tighten our eyes, and this is very much optional because not everybody is much sensitive with their eyes. Like, people do not want to put shit in their eyes. So if you do not want to do this step, you can keep it. You can skip that. Next, we're going to put mascara onto my natural lashes, and just making them visible and blend, and to make sure that they blend into the half lashes that we're going to go into. And I love working with half lashes because they're just natural and seamless. Using this hair bonding glue to glue down my lashes. And can you see, guys, these are just natural. Like, nobody can tell like these are fake lashes. If you blend them together, with the next step I'm gonna do, like, you make sure that you put the mascara onto your natural lashes at the same time on the fake half lashes. Girls, even your boyfriend won't tell that you have lashes. This is basically catfish right in front of his face. So this is what you want. Beautiful. I like. Next, we're going to go into this baby wipes, and you want to wipe off any eyeshadow that you may have got on your skin. Just wipe off everything, any dirt that you may have got, to create a clean base for our makeup. Next, we're going to go into pumping my skin with this, nano mister and water. I love this because it is relaxing. Oh my god. And it preps your skin for every, product that you're gonna put on top of it. So going in with the aloe vera gel, this I love because it's all skin type friendly. It is dry skin friendly, it is oily skin friendly, it is both, no more dry, no more oily, like everything. Like you can use this. I just love because it works on every skin tone. Next, we have to hydrate them lips. So I'm going onto this Maybelline Lifter lip gloss, and I love to use the shade Power because I just love the glow it gives to my lips. Then afterwards, I'm going in with the fan to make sure that my skin fully absorbs everything inside the skin, like it absorbs everything before I go in with the next step, which is prep and prime. MAC primer, I love this because it has a moisture to it and a primer, and as you can see, it's almost dry because I love the glow this gives me. I just love the glow. I love everything. Like guys, in all the things you see, you should buy this because you will definitely love it. Can you see that glow? Love, gorgeous. Next, we're going to fan everything because every step we do, we have to fan and make sure that our skin fully absorbs it. Okay, like you want your skin to absorb every step of primer, of moisturizer, of everything you put, absorbs it into the skin. So this is very much important as well. Next, we're going into this matte putty primer to mattify our nose because this is where I tend to get oily. So any area that you tend to get oily, make sure that you mattify it. Okay. Next, we're going into foundation, and I use this flat brush to spread that foundation onto my skin. I just love using this brush because it just speedens and quickens the step of me doing this using a beauty blender. And make sure that your beauty blender is damp, guys. Like you want that beauty blender to be damp, and this beauty blender is from some set that I got from Temu. And as you can see, I'm blending out my foundation carefully, taking my time, making sure that this foundation looks like my skin. So I take my time, I be gentle. Next, we're going into a contouring, and we're going to contour our cheekbones. And guys, I just get everything from this same lipstick palette that I showed you earlier on, and I'm contouring my cheekbones. I'm going to go on to my forehead and make sure that everything is just seamless. You do not want to leave harsh lines. As I said, blending is the key, guys. So make sure you blend everything. Do not leave harsh lines. Leaving harsh lines doesn't mean that you know everything, okay, or everything is going to turn out perfect. Next, we're going into this blush, and I'm using this baby pink lipstick from this same lipstick palette, and I'm just putting blush on top of my contour. Remember, guys, blush goes on top of the contour. So blush first, then contour downwards. You get also, you can put that blush on your nose because you want it to look cute or whatever. Next, we're going into this LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm putting it on the bridge of my nose, my forehead, connecting everything together, and then putting it under my eyes, on my nose, cheeks, or whatever, on the corners of my lips. I'm just making sure that I put it on all the parts that I want to highlight, then going in with the same beauty blender and blending everything together. Guys, blend. If you do not blend shit, it's gonna look, harsh and all that stuff. So make sure that you blend everything. Like, make sure that everything is just blended. You get what I'm saying? So take your time while doing stuff and make sure that you blend. Blend, take your time. No one is rushing you. If the harsh lines are still showing, you can go in with the foundation, with the part that you used to use foundation, and just blend everything. As you see me right here, I'm using the same that I used to apply the foundation to just blend everything. Now I'm going for the contour, and I'm using this same contour that I used earlier on. This is what I'm going to use to contour, and I'm creating like a V shape for my eyebrows down the nose bridge. And the more that I go down the nose bridge, I'm making the line more slimmer to make sure that my nose appears slimmer than it actually is. This is basically like catfishing, guys. So you need to make sure that the nose is very contoured, okay? Because we don't have slim noses right here in our family. So you need to make sure that that nose is contoured, and make sure that you blend everything together. You do not want to leave harsh lines, because if you leave harsh lines, guys, your makeup is gonna look crusty. And blending out the concealer under my eyes and bring it towards the contour on the nose to make sure that everything just blends seamless. Next, we're going to go into this Airspan powder, and I go in the shade Extra Translucent, and you need a powder puff, guys. This is a must-have in your makeup kit. This you should have. I use this to, highlight every area that I highlighted, like putting the powder on every area that I highlighted on the nose bridge, on under my eyes, on my chin, inner corners of my mouth, just every area that I highlighted, it should have some powder. You know what I'm saying? Then going in with my foundation powder to just blend everything seamless. Even the areas that I highlighted, I'm applying that foundation powder on this brush just to make sure that it's seamless, because you know that powder is kind of, you know, light than my skin tone or whatever. So you want everything to, you know, actually appear seamless. So that's what we're doing. You see how the, you know, the forehead is now, you know, coming back to normal senses? If that makes sense to you. So going in with the bronze shade, and we are gonna bronze, you know, put that bronzer onto our contour. You know, just putting the bronze on every part that we put, and make sure that you blend everything. Next, you're going into the blush, and you're going to apply the blush in the same areas you applied the cream blush, guys. Remember, blush on top of contour, then contouring my nose, you know, being just careful and following every step that I did within the cream state, okay? Now doing the reverse, you know, reverse contouring and baking under my eyes, you know, and then afterwards I'm going to go into the lipstick. And I'm sorry, guys, I did not record this step. I thought it was recording, and it didn't. Going in with the lipstick, because this is a natural look, guys, and if it's a natural look, you definitely need to do a nude lip, guys. That is a must. So maybe a nude lip, so you can do your favorite nude lip, or you can try to get shades that are similar to the shades I used right here. I used that lighter shade from this lipstick palette, and you know, just to make that lip lighter and, you know, give it this nude look, because baby, we want everything to be nude because it's a natural look, baby, and everything has to be on point. Okay, so you see, I'm taking my time, and I use brushes while I'm blending my lips, because brushes just make everything seamless. Going in with the foundation powder on a powder puff and blending all that powder that was baking into my skin and making it just seamless. Next, we're going into a setting spray and spraying my face to make sure that we remove all that powder effect, like everything to look like our skin. You know, it gives the illusion that everything is your skin, but yet it is makeup. Me and you, we both know that. Next, we're going into highlighting, and we're going to highlight our nose bridge and our, you know, the tip of our nose, just, you know, to make that nose pop. Now we're going into this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter and putting, you know, those inner corners, making them lighter, giving them some pop of color, then going in with the black liner on the under, you know, this eyeliner, you know, under the eyes, whatever. Yes, we are lining there, just, you know, to give them something, you know, to give something. Then mascaring, you know, putting mascara on my lower lashes, creating some beauty marks, because girl, we need to be creative. Putting that purple highlighter on top of the pink blush, because it just blends together, you know, that Maybelline purple highlighter you need if you're a person who loves pink blush. Next, we're going to use this lip oil, and guys, this transforms everything. Look at that glow. Look at that glow on my cheeks. This is what gives you a glass skin. So if you have a lip oil, you definitely need this, because look at that, glowing. Like, guys, you cannot tell me this is not an Easter look. Like this, you can go for Easter. Like, I just love everything. I look, you know, I look happy, I look gorgeous, I look like that girl, I look like, yes, I'm ready for Easter. Like, guys, happy Easter, by the way. I hope you enjoy your Easter with this makeup look. Try to create this look and let me know if it was, you know, helpful enough. Do you love this makeup look and do you want me to create more? Let me know in the comment section, because I believe this was very much detailed and helpful and straight to the point. If you love that, make sure you like, subscribe, and bye, guys.